Hello everybody, my name is Clifford Mlauzi and welcome on my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to look at which account phase you should choose as a trader when it comes to trading with FXIFY. Once again, I am a funded Forex trader with FXIFY and I've been trading with this platform for the past 4 months, and I have so much information that I can share with you that will be valuable to your next step of signing up with this platform or signing up with any other platform. But in today's video, I am talking about FXIFY and everything that FXIFY offers. So today, I'm going to help you to choose which account size you should choose. But before I show you which account size you should choose, I'll explain each phase in detail so that you should choose for yourself which one is good for you and which one is not good for you. But in the end, I'll also tell you my opinion. So stick to the end of this video and see which phase suits best your needs. All right, guys. So let's come here. This is like a landing page of FXIFY, and I can say this platform is one of the best so far, and I really appreciate everything that this platform has done. And to start with the beginning, I don't want to talk much about whatsoever it is here, but this is just like bonuses before we dive deep into today's topic. But what I can say is that FXIFY is one of the platforms that pays you as soon as you make your first profit. Like as soon as you get funded, right? As soon as you get funded, you're gonna get what we call fastest payout. You're gonna get the phase payout, which is called the payout on demand, which is very much exciting, guys. I've never seen anything like this, or if it's happening out there, it was my first time to experience it with FXIFY. So now let's get started. Which account size? Which account you should? One phase. When they say one phase, it means that you are only going to you're only going to have one challenge before you get funded. So which means for you to get funded, you just have to pass one challenge and then get funded. And then there's a two-phase challenge. Two-phase challenge whereby you have to go through two challenges, right? Two phases in order to get funded. So the two phase might actually take time because there are actually two phases that you need to undergo through before you get funded. Whilst in one phase, there's only one evaluation, one challenge or one test that you need to pass before you get funded. So right now, let's go into detail to understand these challenges, what makes them different, and which one should you choose. All right, so let's go. So guys, if you're already finding value on this channel or through this video, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. And yeah, man. So let's go. This is a one phase. I'll start with the one phase challenge. Our one phase evaluation is built for Forex traders that wish to expedite their challenge phase. I don't know, maybe that means to to quicken the challenge phase. Traders who can go from zero to funded in a simple state, in one simple step, which means, yeah, I think they're saying that if you are a trader who wants to get funded quickly, as soon as possible, ASAP, right? This is your thing. This is your phase that you can choose, the phase one. And another good thing is that all these challenges, they have got same prices. Whether you go on phase one or phase two, the prices are the same, but there's something that is different within the challenges. All right. So, all right, guys. So if you'd like to purchase any of the challenges, please do use the link in the description, and you'll be able to earn a 5% discount on all the challenges, including the discounts that I will put right here. And yeah, let's do that and have a very trading experience. On phase one, you will have the same accounts that you find on phase two. Even the prices are the same, as I've said. And on phase one, you're supposed to make 10%, which is, I don't know, depending on the account size that you're going to choose. But if you choose, let's say the 100K, you're supposed to make 10K, which is 1%. Okay, I mean, which is 10%. And yeah, so another thing which is amazing is that daily stop loss is only is 5%, which is the same as on the two phase, which means you don't have to lose 5% in a day. And another thing, there is what we call a trailing stop loss. I mean, a trailing drawdown. This is what differentiates or what sets apart the two types of phases. The one phase, the single phase, and the two phase. Okay, so in the two phase, I would like to explain this in detail. So 6% shows your closed trailing balance until it reaches 6% in your account. Once you have reached 6% in your account, the max trailing locks at your starting point. What they're trying to say is that, for example, right? For example, you are having let me write this. Okay, so for example, you're having 100K US dollars account, and your drawdown is 6%, which is like 6,000, right? So when you subtract this, you have 94,000. Okay, so if your count goes below 0, I mean, it goes below this one, it means you have breached the account, you have failed the challenge. Okay, so which means your drawdown is only 6% on your account. All right, so let's say you have made 3%, which is like 3,000. Okay, what will happen is that your drawdown will trail. Okay, will trail. So it means that we're going to add 3,000 to this one, which will give us -3. So which means your trust stop will move from 94 to 97, just like this. Okay, so it means that now your trust stop has moved from 94 to 97. This is when you make 3% profit. So let's say you have made two more profits, like you have made 2% now, which is 2,000. Yeah, we're going to multiply, we're going to add this 2,000, right? And it's going to be now -1,000. So it means that your max drawdown is going to move to 99. Is going to move to 99,000. Okay, which means you don't have to make losses below 99. Now, if you're able to, let's say, on the same 1,000 US dollars account, all right, and then you have made plus 6,000, it means now your trust stop, your balance, let's say you've made 6,000, which is 106,000. It means your drawdown will lock on 100K. Okay, it will lock on 100,000, which means you don't have to make losses below. You don't have to make any losses below, right? You get what I'm saying? You don't have to make any losses below 1,000. This is your max drawdown, which means you can play around and lose 6,000, but you don't have to go below this. And this is what it means when they say max drawdown. Okay, max. This is what it means when they say maximum or trailing stop whatsoever. And this is the difference between the two. So I'll also explain the other side so that you can understand and choose which one you would like to pick. Yeah, so that's basically it. So let's now continue going down, and yeah, the drawdown, it's trailing, as you can see. All right, guys, so if you'd like to purchase any of the challenges, please do use the link in the description, and you'll be able to earn a 5% discount on all the challenges, including the discounts that I will put right here. And yeah, let's do that and have a very trading experience. Maximum trading days, it's 5, and maximum trading days for you to pass the account. I mean, minimum trading days for you to get funded is 5. Maximum trading days, it's unlimited. You can take as long as you can. And the profit spread, it's 5%. I mean, it's 75%, but you can upgrade to 90%. There are add-ons that you can actually do. And the leverage, 1 to 30 is 1 to 50 on gold and indices, and then I think on indices it's 1 to 10. but leverage doesn't really matter in as far as you know what you're doing and trading. It doesn't really matter. So now the price is 99 for 15K, 100K is 44.75. But guys, don't worry about the prices because FXIFY has got the best discounts ever, guys. I've never seen a platform with good discounts like this one, because even the I'll actually just put them somewhere so that you can actually see what I mean. But yeah, so this is small. I'll actually make it short because where most people don't understand is here. But the rest is just the same as the second phase. So now let's come on phase 2. Okay. So this is the phase 2. The FXIFY phase 2 program is built for traders who can demonstrate consistent discipline over 2 assessment phases. This is the one that I have been doing for the past months, and to be honest, I've never bought a single phase challenge. I always buy two phases evaluation because I feel so comfortable with a 2 phase. All right, but that's not what I'm saying you should do. You actually figure out what you will do. All right. So when it comes to 2 phase target, phase challenge, you need to make 10%, which is same as on phase 1. And second phase, you need to make 5%, which is like half of the first phase. You make loss limit of 5%, which is same as the other side. But the good thing about this one, it has got a max drawdown of 10% to play around and see whatsoever. And the drawdown is static. When we say 10%, it remains there. It doesn't trail, it doesn't move, it doesn't go anywhere. It remains there. Okay. And maximum trading days is unlimited. You can trade as much as you can. And profit split starts from 75% to 90% when you add on. When I say add on, it means that it's gonna add something. You'll see when you're signing up, it will add on something when you some amount, right? It's like you're trying to buy some good stuff, so you have to pay higher. And then lastly, these are the prices, and it's 99. And these prices are one-time fee, and you even get refunded once you get your first payout, so it's better. And I feel like they're just good. You get your refund and everything. Okay, so that's basically the differences between the two. The major differences is that there's one has got 2 challenges, the other one has got 1 challenge. This one has got 10% drawdown, which is static, and the other one has got 6% drawdown, which is trailing. And guys, this is like a huge difference. If you want quick money, where there's quick money, it's always like, but I don't want to say that the other one is bad, this one is good. No, I'm just trying to enlighten you to understand the major differences between the two. But otherwise, if there are any other hidden differences, I'm gonna come and let you know. Because I'm also planning to buy a 1 phase at some point, so I actually have like vast knowledge about what I'm talking about, and I'll be able to let you know. But so far, I would recommend you guys to go with the 2 phase, because a 2 phase is actually good, guys. It might take time for you to pass, but it's flexible. All right, guys. So if you'd like to purchase any of the challenges, please do use the link in the description, and you'll be able to earn a 5% discount on all the challenges, including the discounts that I will put right here. And yeah, let's do that and have a very trading experience. Bye.